genesis of the events in Athi River. And it all started last week when the East African Portland Cement Company won a protracted court battle against the Farmers Association named Aimi Ma Lukenya, with over 4,298 hectares piece of land in Mavoko, that's in Machakos County, being in contestation. So the Environment and Land Court last week dismissed the suit by the Farmers Association over failure to serve the defendants with amended pleadings. The demolition exercise of houses on the parcel of land is now on day 4 as the victors impose their justice to the agony of many families that fell victim on account of buying land whose ownership was being disputed. Aimi Ma has more.
The sounds of bulldozers on this 4,298-acre piece of land was preceded by a protracted court battle between Aimi Ma Lukenya Farmers Union and the East African Portland Cement. And since 2014, the matter has been pending at the Environment and Land Court in Machakos County. Case number 74 of 2014. On Sunday, Aimi Ma Lukenya, through its officials Julius Mutie Mutua, Alex Chalo Mutemi, and Pascal Kiselin Basilo, provided us with this document, claiming ownership of county estate where the demolitions are ongoing. However, upon subjecting the document to verification from the Ministry of Lands, we established it is not authentic. According to court documents, Aimi Ma Lukenya filed a fake title deed with entry number 7. Yet, records from the Ministry of Lands shows that the last entry is number 6. The Farmers Union sued the East African Portland Cement for a declaration of ownership and a permanent injunction restraining the cement producer from any action on the piece of land, subject to hearing and determination of the matter. In 2016, Aimi Ma Lukenya obtained an order from the court which restrained East African Portland Cement. The court papers reading that a temporary injunction be and is hereby issued prohibiting the defendant or its agents from erecting, building, occupying, or in any other form interfering with the land reference number 10424 until the hearing and determination of this suit. Almost 7 years since the order was issued, last week, Justice Annette Nyukuri said the plaintiff, Aimi Ma Lukenya, had failed to, within the prescribed timeline, serve the amended pleadings on the defendants within 3 weeks, as ordered by the court in May this year, further warning of dismissing the case if the plaintiffs failed to do so. It is not clear why Aimi Ma Lukenya failed to file the pleadings within the stipulated timeline. On October the 9th, Justice Nyukuri struck out the case of a failure by the plaintiff to serve its own documents as ordered by the court in May. The scale of the destruction here, this being a microcosm of what's happening across this vast land, has generated economic loss and physical damage coupled with desperation, which reminds us of the glaring gaps in land acquisition in Kenya. For now, thousands of families who fell victim and watched their houses turn to rubble in the past few days will continue counting losses running into millions of shillings. Ayub Abdikadir, Citizen TV, County Estate in Mavoko, the county of Machakos.
And away from the Mavoko demolitions, 174